Alright, for this question, we have 6x squared minus the bracket of x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 5. So for this question, right, our focus now is on this part here. And because it is positive 1, it's perfectly fine. The sign won't change. So all I have to do is just to expand this out. And I will actually get positive 2x squared x multiplied by negative 5. I will get negative 5x. Negative 3 multiplied by 2x, negative 6x. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 5, positive 15. And from here, then I will then start to simplify the like terms, meaning 6x squared plus 2x squared, total there will be 8x squared. Negative 5x and negative 6x. I will have negative 11x and not forgetting the positive 15. And that will be the answer for this question.